Alright, I got these clear pedals. Turn purple in the sun.
Turns.
Mongoose freestyle bike. It's a cream color when it's not dirty. Orange and black. Stock black pegs.
What kind?
Mongoose.
Yes.
Got the
Original.
the skinny spokes, originals. Mongoose tire. I gotta get another one. Mongoose stock back tire. Pegs. Mongoose seat.
See.
And my sticker.
You rocking? Are you rocking brakes?
You wearing brakes? Hold on. No front brakes.
Broken cable.
Yeah.
Broken cable.
So I really am rocking brakes, but I'm not rocking brakes.
So he got no brakes. Okay, and this is for me. I got that mongoose. I got that mongoose outer limit. Grayish, green, white. 2.5 inch mongoose pedals. Stock back tire, stock rim. Well, took this off my other bike, put it on. Stock spokes, stock peg except for this one right here. And front tire, stock. No brakes, no kickstand. Original mongoose gears. And
Oh yeah, and I forgot about that. That's my gear. Original mongoose gears.
and that's
Here's bike.
Ozone BMX bike, metal pedals, skinnier, no kickstand, DK tire,
no seat either.
no
No seat.
sweat. What? Sweat.
You got brakes?
Yeah.
Got
Ozone.
Got the 3-piece brake system. I think that's what it's called. The
Ozone.
2-piece.
Ozone
I call that
BMX
the
bike.
ghetto brake system.
And that's concluded.